Hey everyone, welcome back to Zane Facts channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of one of America's most elusive and endangered creatures, the American red wolf. Join us as we uncover 10 surprising facts about the American red wolf, shedding light on their hidden lives and the challenges they face. The American red wolf is a creature of shadows, its very existence hanging by a thread. Classified as critically endangered, their numbers are alarmingly low. Imagine this, fewer than 20 individuals are estimated to be roaming free in the wild today. Their decline is a tragic tale, woven from the threads of habitat loss, human persecution, and the ever-present threat of disease. As forests were cleared for agriculture and development, the red wolf's home shrunk, pushing them into closer contact with their nemesis, the coyote. This proximity led to another danger: interbreeding. Coyotes, more adaptable to human-modified landscapes, began mating with red wolves, diluting the unique genetic makeup that defines this remarkable species. Dedicated conservationists and scientists are working tirelessly to protect the American red wolf through captive breeding programs, habitat restoration, and public education. To understand the plight of the American red wolf, we need to journey back in time, to when their howls echoed across a vast expanse of the southeastern United States. From the Atlantic coast to Texas, and as far north as the Ohio River Valley, these apex predators roamed freely, an integral part of a thriving ecosystem. Their domain encompassed a diverse tapestry of landscapes: longleaf pine savannas, bottomland hardwood forests, and coastal prairies. But as human populations expanded, the red wolf's kingdom shrank. Forests fell to make way for farms and cities, fragmenting their once continuous habitat into isolated pockets. Today, the red wolf's range is a mere shadow of its former glory, confined to a small area in eastern North Carolina. This tiny sliver of land, carefully managed and protected, represents their last stand, a desperate fight for survival in a world that's rapidly changing. In the heart of the forest, hidden from human eyes, the American red wolf reveals its social side. These intelligent creatures are highly social animals, living in tightly knit family groups called packs. A pack typically consists of a breeding pair, their pups from the current year, and sometimes offspring from previous litters. This family structure is crucial to their survival. Each member plays a vital role, contributing to the well-being of the pack. The breeding pair, the alpha male and female, lead the pack, making decisions about hunting, territory defense, and pup rearing. The older offspring from previous litters often assist in raising their younger siblings, teaching them essential life skills like hunting and social interactions. This cooperative approach to parenting ensures that the pups have the best chance of survival in a challenging environment. Imagine standing beneath a canopy of stars, a gentle breeze rustling through the trees. Suddenly, the silence is broken by a sound both haunting and beautiful: the howl of the American red wolf. This iconic vocalization, often described as a cross between a howl and a yodel, is more than just a sound, it's a lifeline. For red wolves, howling is a crucial form of communication, serving several essential functions. It's their way of staying connected across vast distances, their voices echoing through the forest, strengthening the bonds within the pack. The howl also serves as a territorial declaration, a sonic fence post that warns rivals to steer clear. Sadly, the haunting melody of the red wolf's howl is fading from our forests as their numbers dwindle. The American red wolf is a highly adaptable predator, its survival intricately linked to the ebb and flow of its prey. Their diet is as diverse as the landscapes they inhabit, a testament to their ability to thrive in a variety of environments. While white-tailed deer are a staple food source, red wolves are opportunistic hunters, their menus changing with the seasons. They'll readily pursue rabbits, raccoons, rodents, and even insects, their hunting strategies shifting depending on the prey. When targeting deer, red wolves often employ a cooperative approach, working together to bring down an animal much larger than themselves. But they're equally adept at solo hunting, relying on stealth and cunning to ambush smaller prey. This adaptability is a key factor in their survival, particularly in areas where prey populations fluctuate. The American red wolf is a master of disguise, a phantom of the forest rarely glimpsed by human eyes. Their reddish-brown coats, blending seamlessly with the fallen leaves and dappled sunlight of their woodland homes, provide exceptional camouflage. This natural camouflage allows them to move through their territory with stealth, whether stalking prey or avoiding danger. Red wolves are also incredibly wary creatures, their senses honed to detect the slightest sign of human presence. Their keen hearing picks up the faintest sounds. Their sharp noses analyze every scent on the breeze. This innate caution has served them well for millennia, allowing them to coexist with humans, even as their world shrinks around them. Researchers rely on a combination of techniques from radio telemetry to camera traps to catch fleeting glimpses into the lives of these elusive creatures. The story of the American red wolf is a roller coaster of hope and despair, a stark reminder of the fragility of life and the power of human intervention. By the 1980s, these magnificent creatures had disappeared from the wild, victims of habitat loss, hunting, and hybridization with coyotes. The last remaining red wolves, a mere 14 individuals, were captured and brought into a captive breeding program, a desperate attempt to save the species from the brink of extinction. The captive breeding program, a collaborative effort between zoos and conservation organizations, proved to be a success. In 1987, a pivotal chapter unfolded, the reintroduction of the American red wolf into the wild. A small group of captive bred wolves was released into Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge in North Carolina, marking their return to a landscape they once roamed freely. This reintroduction program, carefully managed and monitored, stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of conservation to rewrite the ending of a species' story. The American red wolf walks a genetic tightrope, its very existence threatened by the specter of hybridization. As their numbers dwindled and their habitat shrank, red wolves increasingly came into contact with coyotes, their close relatives. This proximity led to interbreeding, a phenomenon that, while natural in some cases, poses a significant threat to the genetic integrity of the red wolf. Coyotes, more adaptable to human-modified landscapes, began to outnumber red wolves, their genes gradually diluting the unique genetic makeup of their endangered cousins. To combat this threat, conservationists have implemented a multi-pronged approach, including managing coyote populations within the red wolf's recovery area. Another crucial tool is genetic testing to identify hybrid individuals and remove them from the breeding population. These efforts ensure that the genetic purity of the American red wolf is preserved. When we think of wolves, we often envision them as creatures of the forest, their lives intertwined with the trees and undergrowth. But the American red wolf defies expectations, showcasing a surprising skill. They are surprisingly strong swimmers. Their ability to navigate waterways sets them apart from their gray wolf cousins, highlighting their adaptability to the southeastern United States' unique environments. While they may not be as at home in the water as otters or beavers, red wolves are far from daunted by rivers, streams, or even coastal marshes. This aquatic prowess proves invaluable in their quest for survival, expanding their hunting grounds and providing a means of escape from danger. Their swimming abilities also highlight the importance of protecting not just their terrestrial habitat, but also the waterways that flow through it. Clean, healthy rivers and streams are essential for the long-term survival of the American red wolf. The fate of the American red wolf rests not just in the hands of scientists and conservationists, but also in the hearts and minds of the communities that share their landscape. These communities, often on the front lines of conservation, play a crucial role in ensuring the species' long-term survival. Public education is paramount. By understanding the red wolf's ecological importance, people can become advocates for its protection. Supporting responsible land management practices is another crucial step. Citizen science initiatives offer another avenue for involvement, contributing valuable data that informs conservation efforts. Even seemingly small actions can make a big difference, like reducing reliance on rodenticides or keeping pets leashed in areas where they roam. Together, communities can create a landscape where red wolves can thrive. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of the American red wolf. Together, we can make a difference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife facts and conservation stories. For more information on how you can help save the American red wolf, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and stay wild.